Okay, so today we have the Govee Glow, and what this is it is a table lamp. It's more meant for, a modern theme compared to the Aura. I'll be talking about, the comparison between the Glow and the Aura a little bit, but not a ton. I will be making a comparison post between them soon, so stay tuned for that. I don't think it'll be in video form, but we'll see. Yeah, so let's get started. Already gone ahead and pull this back, or rip the paper there, or plastic sticker thing. So like with all Govee products, you get a little, which basically is a fancy way of saying that they like more stuff in the landfill. Pulling this, so this is some high quality styrofoam. I'm gonna be the only reviewer who mentions this, I'm sure, but hey, this is some high quality styrofoam. Nice. You also get this piece of cardboard. And this box, which I'm guessing is just a power adapter, since I think the controller's internal. And then you get... Okay, that's gonna hit the camera. Great. Hold it sideways. Then you get the glow. That's it. Goodbye. So more of this super high quality styrofoam. Not the highest quality, but very high quality. Ooh. Nice. So it appears, take that off, that unlike the Aura, it's actually USB-C powered and the controller is internal, but we'll have to look at that later. You get this really nice kind of whole pattern here, and capacitive buttons. Now, you also get rubber feet. Great. Yeah, that's aluminum. Can't tell if that's aluminum or plastic. Oh, you didn't. This bottom piece is actually plastic. Just painted to look like it's... Well, it could be like a really light... what's it called? What's the metal that's like... feels like feels like plastic, but it's actually some sort of metal. I don't think it's that, but I think it's just plastic. Come on, for $70, really? Govee. Okay. Well, I was wrong. So it turns out there's an external controller. So essentially, if you haven't seen the Aura, this plugs in here, and then this is what actually plugs into power. So I don't get why they do this. Because there's space in here, there's space in there to do it, but apparently they just didn't want to. Dang, that stinks. I wish the controller was a little bit smaller. I think it's about the same size as the Aura, even though it's only doing RGB, and it's significantly dimmer, so, whatever. Come on, Govee. Whatever. At least you get some 3M adhesive that will make it so that it will never come off, and even if it does, it will peel the paint off, and you'll always remember your Govee Glow. So let's go ahead and plug it in. So I'm going to do a little handheld shot right now. So with this, you get actually super simple controls. On, off right there. Then you get color, which let me try to make it a little bit more visible. Lock. Okay, green, blue, light blue, purple, pink, red. Okay, now if I hold this, it should go ahead and switch over to warm. Okay, so if I hit it, nice, it'll go cycle through those. Brightness, or lack thereof, and of course power. I think I mentioned that, but whatever. Yeah, so I love these controls. Okay, so unfortunately I don't have my, old iPhone that I would typically use for this kind of thing, so I apologize for that. It's dead at the moment. But we do have this tablet, so I'm sorry if you can't see quite as well as you normally would be able to. Sorry. So of course you get, your standard color things. You get music mode, epilepsy warning. You can use the phone music or phone microphone as well. Get dynamic and calm, which are not exactly the most exciting. Well, it is an RGB light, so that's fair. Good to adjust sensitivity. It's something that's really nice to have. You can see it's actually doing a pretty good job of picking up my voice and not much else. If we move over to scenes, I'm assuming it has 64. No, it doesn't actually. Okay, good. Because with the Fantasy non-pro, you get like all 64, but they're just like not very good. I will say that I did get a firmware update right out of the box, so just something I should say. And then of course you have DIYs. You have to add, because I haven't really done much with this device. Hello. Like I said, this is a slow tablet. I think I said that. Did I say that? But yeah, so you get your kind of standard different DIYs that would normally be on an RGB light. So that's awesome. There's not actually that much more to cover. There's definitely a lot of color in here, but so yeah, that's about it. So one other thing I noticed when grabbing the Aura is that actually it is a white cord. Or the Aura has a white cord, the Glow has a black cord. So on the right here, there's the Govee Aura. This is just kind of meant to be a demonstration on how bright the white is. Now these are both RGBWW, which means they have, your standard RGB, but also for white you have, two white diodes, warm and cool. So this is the Aura, and it's lighting this up fairly well. It's not a work light, but it's doing a decent job. And this is the Glow. It's not doing quite as well. Neither of them are a work light, but it's doing worse when trying to light up this computer. However, here's the thing. Neither of these are the best products that Govee sells for work light. That title belongs to the Flow Pro. Take a look at this. This, turn off, is the Flow Pro. Yeah, it's significantly better than both of them. Partially, because you have two lights, but still, I would say if you need a work light, get the Flow Pro. So, yeah. It's not the best for brightness, but what it is it's a very sleek design. I should undo that twist tie, but I'll do that later. And looks very cool. So this concludes my initial impressions and unboxing of the Govee Glow. I hope you enjoyed. I'm not going to tell you to subscribe, but I'll remind you that option is there, and I will not complain if you do. And otherwise, have a great day. Bye.